Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by clearing the surface and removing any hardware. This prevents scratches and lets you work on the full area. First, degrease using 1-3 vinegar to water or a mild dish soap solution. It lifts oil and food film. Use a soft brush on seams to dislodge trapped grime, then wipe with a microfiber cloth to avoid marring. Once done, inspect the finish under good light so you know where focused cleaning and polishing will be needed next. Now tackle deeper soils and light scratches. Always scrub with the grain to preserve the brushed finish. Apply a non-abrasive stainless cleaner. Work the product into troubled areas with a 0.5% abrasive pad or a dedicated metal polish. This evens the surface and reduces visible scratches. For small gouges, gently buff with progressively finer polish until uniform. Make sure to rinse thoroughly to remove residues. Then finish by applying a thin layer of stainless polish or mineral oil and buffing along the grain for even sheen and resistance to fingerprints. Reinstall hardware, making sure seals or gaskets are intact and screws are snug but not over-torqued. If you see persistent discoloration, try a baking soda poultice. Make a paste, let sit 10-15 minutes, then rinse. If results are poor, a professional refinisher can restore deep damage. Otherwise, regular maintenance prevents recurrence and keeps the table lasting longer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.